Hello and welcome to this update to CineTracer Meta. Today we're going to take a look at the new camera system and how it works with the shot system. So to start, we're going to select this camera, and today we've given it a bit of a familiar body shape here. And what's a bit different now is that it has a 3D HUD here that will tell you how tall it is, or rather how high in the air it is, and what focal length it's at. Not written on the screen is to take control of it and look through it, we can hit F. So now we're in the camera, and what's much different about this than current CineTracer is that you still have your mouse. You can still click things, select things, move them, use the UI, and that is how it's going to work in the new version. Currently not the best for now is that you change the camera parameters here with clicking and dragging. This is kind of an issue because it's, blocking the frame, so we're going to work out something a little bit better than this. But I'm going to basically set the exposure now here. And what we're going to do to start is take a first shot here. So we're going to click Add Shot. A bunch of stuff happens, and now we'll actually see the screenshot of the from the camera's point of view down there. So we'll come around this way now, spinning around. I'm going to make another shot. There it is. And then I will come back to just like a 3/4, like around here. Let's change the focal length just like a little bit. Change the focus here. Lights in the shot. So, maybe we'll do something like this. Change the focus again to be him. We'll do something that like you click and it sets the focus for you in the future. And we will take our final screenshot or shot in general there. So what you can do now is you can click the different shots and it will bring you back to that correct position. So this is actually looking through the camera, which will make it more clear from the UI eventually that you are actually looking through the camera. But what's cool now is that when we come back to our kind of behind the scenes view, is that you'll actually see the camera position updated as well, and it'll tell you what focal length, how high you are, and we can add whatever other data we think is important. So this is kind of like the full concept of how the new camera system is going to work as it relates to the shot system. There will, for now, only ever be one camera per shot. At the moment, that's only being this floaty camera, but as the system develops, we can make it so that there are different cameras with like tripods and that sort of thing. But for now, it's easiest and fastest to actually block your scene using this style, just floating around camera. And so this shows the camera as well. But what we could show here is that it's also saving the state of the MetaHuman. So if I have her come over and look at the window, she goes to the wrong pose currently, something we're still gonna fix. But I can kind of scoot her around to here, and we'll come into the camera. And if we want to make another shot, right, so not only is it saving the position of the camera, but it's also saving the blocking of the MetaHumans. So we'll take a shot from here, like that. And as we switch around, you'll see that like they're blocked the same way, and it's just the camera that's moving, but we can also then move the humans, the MetaHumans, and the camera at the same time. Like you'd expect, like this. And eventually the lighting in the set will be saved with the shots too. It's just currently the cameras and the MetaHumans. But hopefully this shows the direction and general workflow of this new version of CineTracer. Again, very focused on static storyboards in smaller interior sets, but with more control and more of a system to help you manage actually blocking out scenes and quickly communicate in design what your intentions are as far as the camera and then the character blocking, and of course the lighting. So that wraps it up for this little update here. Very happy with how the system is coming out. Would love to hear any initial feedback. You never know, I might read it, it might happen, it might go in the game. And yeah, again, hopefully this is coming out kind of around when Unreal Engine 5 will be officially released and we have our most stable version of Unreal Engine 5. And we're looking, hopefully that's somewhere around Q1 2022. It'll be available to people who already own CineTracer. We'll see what it looks like, but this new version should just either pop up in your library on Steam, or you'll be able to go download it for free. We'll see what it looks like. I have never done a double application package before on Steam. We'll see how that looks. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.